ready to post our general journal in chapter 11. So now we have supply store, and it says we're debiting $165. So this is the easy one. So we're going to go over to our general journal, and let's go ahead and find supply store. So supply store is right here. And we are going to put the second. This is General Journal, page 2, so G2. So it will be G2. And we said that we were going to debit $165. We have a debit and a debit, so we will add, and our balance is $4,335. The last step is this account number, 1130. So we're going to come over to our general journal, and we will, in the post reference column, 1130. Now here's the new thing. Technically speaking, we should always do this one here first. So let's go over to Estes Supply. So now, I think I'll separate out my ledgers here so I can find things. We're going to go over to Estes Supply. And then it says we're crediting $165 on the 2nd. So December the 2nd, G2, we're going to credit $165. And since we have 2 credits, we're going to add. So Estes Supply will be a balance of $985. The last step, and here's what's different, your account number 210 needs to go down at the bottom of the diagonal because that says you've posted to Estes Supply right here. So now we're going to go to the accounts payable in the general ledger. So let's come over here to accounts payable, and this same amount, the credit for $165 on accounts payable, we will go ahead and it will be on the 2nd, G2, and we're going to credit $165. So I have a credit and a credit, which means I need to add, and the new balance will be $13,185.80. The last step is this account number. It will go to, at the top of the diagonal, 2110. Okay? The next one, we have a debit to accounts payable in Mobley. So let's go grab our Mobley tools. And Mobley is going to be a credit or a debit for $43.90 because this is our next transaction. So we're going to go over to Mobley Tools. It is on the 8th, G2. I'm debiting $43.90, and my new balance is $4,136.10. My last step is this account number, 220. So I'm going to put 220 at the bottom of the diagonal. Now I need to go over and post a debit to accounts payable for the $43.90, okay? So we'll grab our general ledger and we'll go over to accounts payable. And on the 8th, G2, I have a debit for, is that $43.90? I can't remember. I have a debit for $43.90. And now I have a credit balance and a debit, so that means I need to subtract. So my new balance will be my new balance will be $13,185.80. $41.90. The last step is this account number again. So it will be 2110 at the top of the diagonal. Now, purchases, returns, and allowances. That's in the general ledger. So we'll come over here. And you'll always have to make sure that you've got the right account because there's a purchases discount too. So we're going to go to the purchases, returns, and allowances. And let me grab this other sheet that has the balance on it already. And it will be December the 8th, G2, and it will be a credit for $43.90. And then your new balance will be $43.90. And then your last step, this account number, it will come back up here, $51.30. Okay? So what I'm going to have you do is go ahead and do the rest to post the rest of these accounts. So I've shown you how to post when you have the diagonal, and then the other ones that don't are just like we've always done, go find the account and post it. And when you're done, then you will turn it in for your points of the day.